So now today we will start the chapter on cams. From this figure you can see that cam is basically an element used in engine, majorly in engine. Okay, there are other applications also for cams in machines also it is used. You can see in IC engine cams are used to open and open and close the inlet and exhaust valves at a proper time. So let's have a look at what is cam. Cam is a rotating machine element which gives reciprocating or oscillating motion to another element known as follower. So in this figure shown on right hand side, this black color element is cam which rotates. Okay. This cam is actually rotating, and because of this its rotation, the element present over here will have the oscillating motion or reciprocating motion. You can see. Okay, this reciprocating or oscillating element is called follower. Now, why it is called follower? Because it is simply following the profile of this cam. Okay, it will follow the shape of the cam, okay, and accordingly perform the up and down movement. From this title slide, you can see this cam cams are rotating, and because of their rotation, these valves are opening and closing at particular time. So this rotating motion of the cam is converted into reciprocating motion of follower. You can see over here. The cam and follower have a line contact and constitute a higher pair. This element over here, roller, and this cam will have line contact. Line contact means higher pair. Okay, so it will have lower amount of friction. The cams are usually rotated at uniform speed by a shaft. Okay, in this figure, this is actually a model available in our college lab. Okay, this red wheel behind it is actually a wheel attached to rotate this cam. Okay, you can consider it as a shaft also. Okay, in actual machine, instead of this red wheel, we are having shaft. But to manually rotate it in our lab, we have attached here this wheel. Okay, इस wheel की मदद से हम इस cam को rotate करवाएंगे. But the follower motion is predetermined and will be according to the shape of the cam. Okay. This motion of this follower is predetermined, means uh, I have an application in which I need a link that should move in particular direction only, means here up and down motion only. So to generate this motion, I need to install the cam. These are the various applications for cams, or you can say cam and follower mechanism. They are widely used for operating inlet and exhaust valves of IC engine, internal combustion engine. Also in automatic attachment of machinery, paper cutting machines, spinning and weaving textile machinery, feed mechanism of automatic lathes. Okay, in all of these and many more applications are there for cam and follower mechanism. You can say application of cams. So let's have a look at the classification of followers. There are many classifications of follower possible, but we will look it first according to the surface in contact. Now follower means this component over here. Okay. which is following the profile of cam. So based on according to the surface in contact means which kind of surface is in contact between this follower and cam means at this point what kind of contact is there. So this is the figure from book. This is a roller follower and a cam profile is shown below. So roller follower, when the contacting end of the follower is roller, you can see here at this point we are having roller. Okay, so at the contacting end of the follower is a roller, then it is called a roller follower. Rolling motion takes place between the contacting surface, therefore the rate of wear is greatly reduced. Because of rolling motion, the wear will be very less. In roller followers, also the side thrust exists between the follower and the guide. Okay, this thing over here, this fixed frame, okay, is called guide. Okay, guide means it is guiding the follower to move in this particular direction only, in up and down motion only, vertical direction. You can see. Okay, so side thrust exists between the follower and the guide. Now, why side thrust is existing? Suppose this cam is rotating in this direction. Suppose, assume that cam is rotating in this direction. Okay. So because of this uh, non-circular profile, okay, you can see this cam is not actually a circular disc. It is having some different shape. Okay, so because of that, the roller will be pushed in this direction. Now, because of this guide, the roller one motion will be in upward direction and one motion will be in sideway direction. But this sideway rotation or sideway motion is constrained by this guide. Okay, ये जो guide है वो हमारे follower को साइड में मूव नहीं होने देगा. So because of this restricting motion, this thrust will be generated. So side thrust exists between the follower and the guide. The roller followers are extensively used where more space is available. It is used where the space available is more, such as in stationary gas and oil engines and in aircraft engines. So have a look at how this motion is happening. You can see here we have recorded this in our lab only. Okay, you can see there is a rolling motion. It is roller is rotating. You can see. So because of this rolling motion, there will be this follower and cam will be moving easily. Okay, there will be less friction because of rolling motion. You can see. So you can see the motion is very smooth. Now here you can observe that this rotating motion of cam is converted into this up and down motion of follower. Just wait, I will show you now. Okay, you can see this cam is rotating and this follower is having up and down motion. So that this is roller follower. Next is flat faced or mushroom follower. Now because of its end is flat, प्रीवियसली क्या था हमारे फॉलोअर के एंड पे रोलर अटैच हुआ था. ओके, नाउ इन दिस फ्लैट फेस फॉलोअर, जो हमारा फेस है फॉलोअर के एंड पे एक फ्लैट एंड रखा है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई द नेम इज गिवन इट एज फ्लैट फेस फॉलोअर. So when the contacting end of the follower is a perfectly flat, it is called flat faced follower. Okay, it may be noted that the side thrust between the follower and guide is much reduced in case of flat-faced follower. In flat-faced follower, the side thrust is very much reduced because you can see now as this profile will go up, this plate will also move up. It will not face the side motion. Okay, होगा side motion होगा, but as compared to roller follower and other followers, the side thrust will be less. But from the figure, this animation, you can observe that this motion is not that much smooth. Okay, you can see it is actually having very much amount of friction. You can see the motion is not smooth. We are rotating it manually, but there is more friction is present in this case because now here's the sliding type contact will be there. The flat face follower are generally used where space is limited. Okay, when we are having less amount of space, at that time we are required to use this flat face follower, such as in camps which operates the valve of automobile engine. The animation that I showed in first title slide only. So let me show you again. Here you can see this is cam and this one over here is follower. You can see they are followers are flat faced. ऐसा आपको नहीं समझना है कि मैंने अभी फिगर में कैम नीचे बताया है और फॉलोअर ऊपर बताया तो एवरी टाइम इट इज वैलिड या एवरी टाइम ऐसा ही होता है ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, many a times it is possible that our follower is on downside and cam is on upside. That is also applicable, but their connection is flat face type. Mm, when the flat face follower is circular, it is then called a mushroom follower. You can see in this figure, this we are having circular. If you see this follower from bottom, it will look like a circle. So at that time, it is called as mushroom follower. They are both same, but only if the cross section is circular, then it is mushroom, and if it is a rectangle type, then it is flat face only. Both are same. Next is knife edge follower. From the name, you should get the idea what is knife edge. Okay, now the follower will be having the shape of knife edge, or the end of the follower is having the shape of knife edge. When the contacting end of the follower is a sharp knife edge, it is called as knife edge follower. The sliding motion takes place between the contacting surface, that is knife edge, and the cam surface. So now there is no rolling element present in the follower, so because of that, sliding will be happening between these two elements. It is now used widely in practice because of the small area of contacting surface results in excessive wear. Okay, it is not used widely. Not now. Okay, it is not used widely because the rate of wear will be more in case of knife edge follower because you can see here sharp edge of the follower is present. Okay, so sharp edge क्या करेगा, वो फॉलोअर का जो सरफेस है उसको पूरा डिटोरिएट कर देगा और वियर रेट जो होगा उसका फास्ट होगा. Okay, so that is why it is not used widely. In knife edge followers, a considerable side thrust exists between the follower and the guide. Okay, now here also the side thrust will be present between this guide and follower. Next is spherical faced follower. This is also according to the surface in contact. The spherical shaped follower. Now you can observe the end of the follower is having the spherical shape. The follower end is of spherical. It is called spherical phase follower. When a flat phase follower is used in automobile engine, high surface stresses are produced. जब हम follower flat phase follower use करते हैं, and at that time the surface stresses that are generating over here and over the surface of cam, जो cam का surface है वहाँ पे भी जो stresses generate होंगे वो high होंगे. So in order to minimize these stresses, the flat end of the follower is machined to spherical shape. So, so it will greatly reduce the stresses generated at the contact surface. Okay. So these were the classifications according to surface in contact. कैसी surface contact में है उसके बेसिस पे अभी तक हमने क्लासिफिकेशन देखा फॉलोअर का. नाउ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फॉलोअर अकॉर्डिंग टू द मोशन ऑफ द फॉलोअर. फॉलोअर का मोशन कैसा है उसके बेसिस पे क्लासिफिकेशन है. फर्स्ट वन इज रेसिप्रोकेटिंग और ट्रांसलेटिंग फॉलोअर. When the follower reciprocates in guides as the cam rotates uniformly, it is known as reciprocating or translating follower. अभी तक हमने जितने भी फॉलोअर देखे वो सभी रेसिप्रोकेटिंग टाइप के, मीन्स अप एंड डाउन मोशन वाले. This cam is rotating and follower is having reciprocating motion. So that kind of follower is known as reciprocating follower. So this all followers, knife phase, roller, flat phase, spherical phase followers, these all are reciprocating or translating followers. Second classification according to the motion of the follower is oscillating or rotating follower. Okay, by the name we can guess that oscillating means now follower will be having oscillating motion like this. Okay, you can see as we are rotating the cam, this follower is oscillating. So this kind of follower is called oscillating follower. So when the uniform rotary motion of cam is converted into predetermined oscillatory motion of the follower, it is called as oscillating or rotating follower. Okay. This model is also available in our college lab. I recorded this video from that only. Now third classification. Okay. First classification हमने देखा according to surface in contact. Second classification हमने देखा according to motion of the follower. And third classification is according to path of motion of the follower. Follower का motion है उसका path कैसा है. So first one is radial follower. So when the motion of the follower is along an axis passing through the center of the cam, means जो follower का axis है और cam का जो axis है vertical axis, वो दोनों एक ही सेंटर लाइन में आती हो तो उसको बोलेंगे हम रेडियल फॉलोअर. When the motion of the follower is along the axis passing through the center of the cam, it is known as radial follower. And second classification according to path of motion is offset follower. So by the name you guess, offset means now the center of rotation of cam and axis of motion of follower are not coinciding, they are having some offset between them. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो कैम है वो रोटेट होगा इस सेंटर के अगेंस्ट में और फॉलोअर का मोशन होगा ये वाली एक्सिस पे. So when the motion of the follower is along the axis away from the axis of cam, it is called a offset follower. उसको हम बोलेंगे offset follower. So this was the classification according to part of motion of the follower. Next is classification of cams. Up till now we have seen the classification of followers. Okay, so in cam and follower there are two elements. One is cam, which is having this kind of profile, and follower. Okay. So up till now we have discussed the classification of these followers. Now classification of cams we'll look at. So there are many classifications of cams possible, but widely these two are widely used. One is radial or disc cam, and second is cylindrical cam. So what is radial cam or disc cam? In radial cams, the follower reciprocates or oscillates in a direction perpendicular to the cam axis. कैम की जो भी एक्सिस है उसको परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन में हमारा जो फॉलोअर है वो मूव होगा इन रेडियल और डिस्क कैम. तो इफ यू सी अब तक हमने जितने भी फॉलोअर के क्लासिफिकेशन देखे वो सब इस कैटेगरी के अंदर आएंगे, रेडियल और डिस्क कैम में, इन विच दिस कैम इज हैविंग डिस्क टाइप ऑफ शेप and it is rotating and the follower is moving in the direction perpendicular to the axis of cam. Okay, this one is also the axis of cam. And second is cylindrical cam. So in cylindrical cams, the follower reciprocates or oscillates in a direction parallel to the cam axis. So here below two figures you can see the axis of cam is this one. This also. This is the axis of cam, and this one is follower. Okay, you can see the motion of the follower is in this direction, which is parallel to axis of cam. And in this figure also, the axis of cam is in horizontal direction, and motion of follower is like this. You can say oscillating parallel to this axis. So the follower rides in groove at its cylindrical surface. जो हमारा कैम होगा उस पे ग्रूव्स कट किए होंगे इस शेप में. So the follower, this follower will follow the motion according to this groove. फॉलोअर है इस ग्रुप के अंदर मूव होगा और अकॉर्डिंगली ये आगे पीछे होगा. A cylindrical grooved cam with a reciprocating and oscillating figures oscillating followers are shown here. This one is reciprocating and this one is oscillating follower. So this is the important classification of cams. There are many more classifications available in books based on the dwell motion or return motion. Okay. But these two are very important. You may find different classifications also in books.